How you doing?
Yeah, it's going good.
Good. Good. It's gonna get really hot here.
Okay.
By Thursday, it's gonna be 100 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh, there?
Yeah,
Mm.
for 3 days.
Okay.
It's a little too, we have that in Sacramento normally it happens like 3 times through the summer, 3 little, but this is really early.
Oh,
It normally doesn't happen in early June yet.
we are always living in that Fahrenheit only. All the seasons.
Yeah, depending on where you live in California.
Ah.
It's such a big state.
Mm.
You can get anything if you drive around far enough. He says he's joining.
Okay. It's coming in.
Morning.
It's not talking. Okay.
Yeah, he's there, but not there.
Hi, Lori.
Hello.
Yes, Lori.
Are you going to
Yeah,
share?
we can start. Sorry, Jaya.
Okay. Oh, you can't show yourself?
Yeah, okay, I will show you.
Oh, no. I'm stuck. I'm in a run.
Now I used Google API fully. Actually, here if you type music and any city name, it automatically searches corresponding locations and address using only Google Place API.
Yeah, good. How are you?
It's taking a long time. Yeah. Here I am giving maximum limit is 10, so it's showing 10 list. If you click anything, it will automatically fill that location name and address, and then it shows the corresponding place image. Which one we like, we can select. It lists that related to that location only, the photos, or that it uses Google Photo API.
Okay. So this is all through the Google API.
Yeah. Another thing, I'm using my Google key. In David, we have to enable. There he's having only Map API only. In that key, we have to enable for Google Places, and also we have to add a billing account for that.
No,
He
we
enabled
already
just
have the
one
billing account. Yeah.
because I tried
I'm
it.
sorry, Arun.
Yes, sir.
No, we already have the billing account.
Okay. But I already tried ours only, David's API key only, but it's what it said is um, it's not enabled. Google Place API is not enabled. Please enable that one. Likewise, it
Okay. No, we can enable it, but how many calls we are making it? Like how many calls for
up
one
to 10,000 calls.
request?
It's free. Here it making 10 to 15 calls for one search.
Okay. No, up 10,000 calls, it's free. I'm not thinking it's 10,000.
Arun, you're breaking up a bit.
Hello.
Yeah, you're just your sound is breaking up.
Voice is breaking.
Go to the parking lot.
Now okay.
Like you are able to hear me, right?
Now, yes.
What's your idea on this? Documented also.
So what were you saying, Arun? Can you say that again?
10,000 cars for the
Still we are not hearing you properly. Now it's searching perfectly, but we have to search for that money in that money side. Actually, up to 10,000 calls only, it's free service. After that, it will be based on some usage. It will be varies.
Okay, so this is a Google API.
Yeah.
But we are using a third party because in terms of charges.
Yes.
So it's a third party. It's a third party. Okay.
Up to some limit, it will be free. After that, they will. After based on that usage, they will ask for money. It's a paid service. After that.
And is this a Google paid service?
Yes.
Oh, okay. 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 So I need to look at that then, because I don't know. We don't know at what point they start to charge.
Okay.
Right? We don't know at how many pulls or how much usage.
Yeah.
Lori, you are able to hear me now properly?
Yes.
Hello. Yeah. Jaya, you mentioned last time in the call, you mentioned it's 1,000 calls. After 1,000 calls, it's chargeable, right? Now you are saying it's 10,000 calls?
In one thing, it's mentioned it as 1,000. I searched in the chat GPT, it's mentioned it as 1,000. Here somewhere in cursor, I got 10,000 calls.
So it's either 1,000 or 10,000.
Okay, I will for here placed it search up to 10,000 call free.
No, don't go with her search. Like check it in Google official website.
Okay.
Or what Arthur says, it has any source where it found the 10,000 calls?
Yeah, it's found only in that Google. I asked to search in that Google cloud.
No. Like where it has some source link, right? Normally, ChatGPT will say where it found that source, right? Like 1,000 calls is the limit. Where it found that source?
It said from that Google document only. I have found like that. It's mentioned. 1 second, I will check
Arthur
that.
also.
You know.
Yeah. Okay. Because Arthur, if I said same and Google like ChatGPT also say the same, then both APIs are both are giving different results, right?
Okay.
From Google itself.
Okay, I will check in Google Cloud and let you know how much maximum it's free for us.
Yeah, and also like how many API calls you are making for one trigger?
One trigger is taking up to 10 to 16. For that
Uh,
search itself, it's take one search itself. It's take music. It's in parallelly taking 5 calls. Music, different combinations checks. So there itself take 5 calls.
So for you're saying for you're saying for one category, it's taking 5 calls to get all the data to get the data for one category. So like
Oh yes.
music.
No, not one category, Lori. It's one event.
For bowling
Oh,
night, one bowling night it will be.
Yeah,
wait.
for one event, not one
Well,
category.
well, except I saw right. But it's for one event and then multiple venues come in under that one event.
Yeah.
Okay, so one event's 5 calls.
And we are limiting only 10 location, right? How many location we are receiving in the
I'm
background,
limiting
max?
10.
No, in the background, how many location we are receiving? Or you are just giving a
In the code itself, I
max
given
search?
as the limit as 10. After that, it
Okay,
said it will be very slow, so I limited up to 10. That first
okay.
10
Then
is
how you are
based on that
prioritizing it?
match only.
Like
Perfect match
how
only.
you are how you are prioritizing? Like how you are checking the first 10 location? Like how max prior? Like how you are matching that results?
Actually, it's based on that text, music, as well as city. It will put some mark in that test search based on that highest mark it derive and put it in that.
Yeah. That's what I'm asking. How do you derive the like how highest mark is derived? Did you find it? Like
No, that one I will not searched. Actually, it said first 10 marks and it mentioned like that. Exact match for that
yeah, can
work.
you do the analysis like how the highest mark is made? Because we need to know that also, right?
Yeah, I will check. First, I have to know whether this one is okay for you. After that,
And did you also verified any other API with free version, the same kind of things? Because we discussed that on last week, right?
I didn't check for anything. We can go for no. We are already discussed. No, this one is the perfect match for us. Google it.
No, like when we discussed that time, we found that images also required, right? Then we thought, okay, we will go with different options also. It's available or not, we'll discuss because that one first initial verification we did only for location, right?
Yeah.
And address. Now we are going like you are calling another API to get the images, right?
That is related to the same key only, no? Google Photo
No,
API.
same key. No, I understand, Jaya. I'm saying if a single API is providing both, is there a way we can able to identify? Just asking. Did you do that analysis from the other part
Actually, in that single
instead of?
API only, it's getting photo reference. Using that photo reference in another API, it's getting that related photos around.
Yeah, I understand that, Jaya. But I'm asking, is there a way we can get a single API with the
With all
location,
those
address,
text,
and yeah,
maybe we
like
can
images
search.
instead of images, we can just have the URL, and we'll just populate the URL, and the images will be rendered inside the web page, and then we can download it whenever we want. Which image we want, we can download it. Is there like any where we can check that kind of scenario? Because 10 to 15 calls for one event, and if we are making more than 100 events, it will be easily it will reach 10,000 limit or 1,000 limits.
Okay.
Because Lori is adding 5 or 6 events, and within like 2 or 3 days, we'll reach 1,000.
Definitely it will reach. Otherwise, we have to check for some paid few amount version, less amount version thing, or otherwise,
Um,
I will check for another API if is there anything fit or URL. With the URL, I will check for that photo for the photo. Actually, here it's set up to
No,
5.
things to can be done in a API.
Wow. Oh,
Like like your analysis needs to be done on basis like one API. All the like information we can retrieve or not.
we can use otherwise post, using post we can try around with the one
Now
API.
we're using post, right?
Here I'm using post for only one. All other case I'm using get one. Actually, if it is not getting a test search, it will go for another API that is from post.
Which one we are using in this?
Here using all those things. Place a test search, place details, everything. This four.
No, we are not using all four, right? We are using 3.
Obviously, it's 3.
Correct? Like 3 or 4, correct?
Yeah.
I'm asking because you implemented the code, right? We are calling 3 or 4 requests, correct?
Yes, Arun. Because everything is there only, we are getting proper data.
No, I'm saying we are making 3 calls or 4 calls, correct? In 2 scenarios.
Yeah.
You understand the 2 scenarios, right?
Which one? Actually, I understand that we have to reduce the calls. So that
No,
only.
I'm asking like based on your screen, like whatever you are sharing, right? Based on the screen sharing, I'm saying we are making 2 scenarios and we are making 3 or 4 calls,
Yes.
correct? Yeah, like can you tell what scenarios I mentioned? Because your sound was not you understand what my question is, I guess.
Can you mention the scenarios, Arun?
No, you are showing the scenarios in your page, right? That's the reason I'm asking the question from your document you are sharing it.
I don't mention any scenarios. I got.
Okay, what you were mentioned, yeah, you mentioned get first admin UI get API call, and your Next.js API server is calling like next 4 request, right?
Yes.
In that you mentioned get and post request. Get request is legacy and post request is new. What is the difference between those two?
That one is old. This one is new. After that, they are.
Okay, you are making old legacy call, and then if you are making new API call
If it
also.
is not there, means then I will make a new. It's a
So in this
fallback.
case, you are not making 5 calls. You are making 4 calls.
Yes.
Okay, like legacy, they are going to keep it for now, or they are going to decommission it? Like any timeline they mentioned it.
Sorry, I can't get it.
No, legacy you mentioned, right? Get call its legacy means they are going to have any plan to decommission it.
No.
Then why we need legacy and new? Like we can directly go with new, right?
Actually, it used to search. I have to do a research on that.
Okay, because in this case we can reduce number of calls. Like instead of getting and posted request 2 request calls, we can do 1 request call. 1 call we can reduce it, right?
Yeah.
That's the reason I'm asking. Like
Yes, Arun. That's actually first my intention is to get a proper result. After that, how to reduce the call next step. That is the next step for me. Today I will do a research and do how to reduce the call. And also in the meeting, I like to discuss with you and Lori how to reduce calls, and also your approval for this, whether it is right or wrong. Everything I want to know. because now it's okay. It's perfectly fetching. Our next intention is to reduce how much calls. That's it.
Yeah, can you go to the UI and do another search? I want to see how the UI load is. We need to check because currently yesterday, so when Lori and me are discussing Social 6 itself, page itself occupies most of the CPUs. Yeah, can you do like F12 and then do the search, like in debug mode?
In my laptop, it will not work. I have to directly go inspect.
Yeah, F12 is debug. Inspect is F12, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Shortcut is F12.
Okay. But here in my laptop, F12 button is not working.
Okay, you are using Windows, right? Not Mac, right?
Windows only.
Okay. Because first time I'm hearing F12 will not work in Windows laptop.
I searched.
Okay.
Okay, I will do something.
Wait a second. Yeah. Wait till that. Okay. Yeah.
I'm searching Sacramento.
Okay. 527 milliseconds. So go to the network tab. Click on preserve log.
What you told?
Click on the preserve log and disable cache. Take the two options. Check the mark, like checkbox. Check that. Yeah. Preserve log and disable cache. Yeah. Check that and then trigger the same request.
Same request I have to send here.
Yeah. I'm not seeing any API calls is captured here. We're using, I don't know how we are capturing it. Network is not showing any API calls. I think you are calling inside the pop-up, I guess. Can you press F12 inside the pop-up and inspect it? And then do the search.
Okay.
It's not at the global level, I guess, if you are doing that inside the pop-up. Yeah, inspect it inside the pop-up.
Can I search some other word?
No, just do the same, and I want to know what you are searching, because I'm not seeing anything in the network logs, right? So it's your caches, everything is running inside the like templates itself, not outside.
Okay.
You're running the API call inside the templates. No, you can just right click on inside the pop-up and do the inspect, and then you can able to capture it, because Jaya, do one thing, like create a new branch and then commit all these changes, because I do see some other changes also there. So we don't want to commit all the changes. So create a new branch and commit all these changes. I will try to run it in my local and see how it is working. Because I want to see how the request and response is sent, and how much data we are downloading it and uploading it to the web app.
Okay. Now itself you need, or shall I do it later?
You can do it later, because I don't want it now, because I just came out for lunch and I need to go back.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just going to say we've got two more things to go over. And so we'll just, yeah.
Yeah, I will stop my.
Is that okay? So Jay, go ahead and do that then? You'll do that?
Already we last meeting we discussed Laurie, about that back end you are giving dashboard.
Oh, right. Yeah, Arun, yeah, in terms about what's on the dashboard and reporting.
Yeah, okay.
So Arun, did you want to,
Which one, Lori? Sorry.
the reporting?
Just
Remember the reporting and the, the reports and what's on the dashboard?
yeah. Can you share the screen, Lori? Like,
You mean the document?
yeah.
Okay. Sorry. This is what you're talking about, right? What I showed you yesterday?
Yeah, yes, Lori. Like, Jaya, this is a document Lori shared with me yesterday around late night. So we are planning to have different dashboards, like not multiple dashboards. We are going to have only one trending page, and we are going to document all the dashboards inside the trending page, like a graph, and Lori can download it from that graph itself instead of having multiple pages. So this is the document she shared with me. I need to formalize it, and then based on that, we need to do all the changes accordingly. So I will do it initial. Yeah, 1 second. I will go inside.
Okay.
Yeah, like yeah, that is my plan. Like I am going to have all this. Like, can you scroll, Lori, at the end of the page? Like you have that summary, right? Yeah, like 4 dashboards and 7 reports. We need to make it out of this, and I'm planning to have all this in the trending page. I don't want to have like 11 new pages. So I'm planning to have all this in the trending pages. And also, did you fix the issue we discussed last time, like in the user dashboard page?
Which one?
User's dashboard, it was showing 400%, right? You told you will check on that.
Yeah, I like that number.
Actually, Laurie, as last meeting, she has said no. I will give that correct requirement. So I didn't do anything.
No, that is for the reporting. But for the graphs we
Okay,
discussed,
that
we
is a
should fix
simple
it.
one only. I will fix that one because I never give that below 100 that value. I will fix that.
Okay. No, this one, Lori, whatever Lori is giving is outside of the dashboard. Like she is reporting only, but this is like for everything, not only for users, not only for events, it's for everything.
This is in the trending page.
Yeah, this will be in the trending page. Currently, we have 4 graphs. It will be all the graphs will be there in trending page for her.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't design it yet, but I need to design it and then I need to check how the UI performance is and how we are going to interact it with the backend and how we are going to retrieve all those data. I need to verify that.
I saw total event, active event, total group, average group per event. Only dashboard here.
No, dashboard is also a graph only. It's not a real dashboard. Yeah. As you see, right, like reporting is something, currently we are not going to focus on the reporting. We are just going to have it as, Lori is going to have it as a report, but not automated report. It will be like Lori will run the report manually and fetch the data. In future, we are planning to have an automated report.
That's, yeah.
Yeah, Lori, but from my side, I will make it as a scheduled job now, but I will not enable it. Future, we will enable it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And,
So,
yes.
so basically, Jaya, then he's going to be designing whatever, and then you'll be part of, implementing.
Okay. I have to implement this one.
No, I will give you the task, Jaya. I need to do the screen design, right? First, I'll do it and I'll let you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then the last thing, just so while I have you, Arun, so I did the 3 different, Jaya, this is about the refer friends and the link. So did I give you enough information, Arun? Uh-oh.
Okay, also share that written document in our group, WhatsApp group, Lori, related to
Oh, this one, yeah, it may change. I will, but it may change a bit because I'm just
No,
seeing
this is
like
a draft version. Yeah, this is an example one, right?
Yeah, I don't need. I'm realizing I don't need the payment failures, so it'll change slightly. So Arun, the last. So did I give you enough for the refer friends link?
Yeah, Lori. Yeah, if you open the web app, backend web app, the browser, like Versal, if you open the Versal in the browser.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you go to the referrals?
Oh.
Yeah. This is the page I wrote it. Yeah, you can see 3 referrals and 3 unique members. If you go and scroll down. No, scroll down.
I know, I missed it.
Okay. Because I'm not able to see the scroll button. I'm in browser, so yeah, you can see the leaderboard and you are able to see those who referred and who joined. You can see those status there.
Right, but I don't see who I did the referral to.
Yeah, and if you see the second table, right, the bottom table, the second table, yeah, that has the details, right? Referrer, it's Lori, is you are the referrer, and I joined as a referred user is me, Arunvel referral. That's the reason I gave my name as a referral, and this is my user ID, and I signed up on this date.
Yeah, but I didn't. I'm talking about. So I used the Hello Social account as the member.
Yeah.
And then I referred my Getting Your Groove Back by email. That's the one I did by email.
No, based on the referral link, I need to sign up, right? Then only you can able to see that in the dashboard, right? Sharing the link is just a first step.
Oh, okay. So here's the deal on that. can't, can that be can that be captured?
No, we can't capture that, Lori, because they can able to share it in message. Those are all very privacy things, right? They can able to share it in WhatsApp. They can able to share it in normal message, Gmail, Snapchat. Those are all user-specific private things, right? And they can copy it and paste it in normal messages also. That we can do capture it in their phone or in their web browser.
I get that. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You know, because it'd be great for me to be able to send them emails to tell them to join. But yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but we can.
Referred user difference. Here, Lori is referring this one, Arunvel. Or Arunvel referring Lori.
Referrer is who is giving the request, right? Referred user is who joined based on the request.
Referrer is giving link to that concerned person.
Yeah, that is a referrer meaning, and referred user is who joined based on the link.
Okay, once they join, they consider as a referred user.
Yeah. Because until you join, you will not have the data in our database or somewhere, right?
Okay.
So the request will be triggered from browser to browser or mobile app to backend to store it in the backend database, and this report will refresh automatically. Like it will refresh whenever there is a new user.
Okay, how it with that link it retrieve the data.
Yeah, that's the way of referral, because if you see the link, did you verify the link in the web app? Like it will have the referrer ID equal to some UUIDs will be there. That the UID will refer to the account, actual account.
Okay.
Yeah, you can check it in your user ID, like you have test account, right? If you log into your test account and if you copy the link from the test account and you created a new user, then you can able to see the request and response flowing in the background.
It looks great.
Yeah, and you need to verify the chatbot, Lori. Chatbot page. Yeah, you need to verify that. Like whenever you're free, you can verify that also.
All right. Well, I'll start putting them in, and then you tell me what's happening.
No, you can itself see it. If you scroll down a little bit, like you can see, if you scroll down, this is the add response. You need to give the question there and then trigger keywords and build response, and then you can see the existing questions. You can modify that. Once you submit it, your question also will be.
These are the ones we already have. Okay, got it.
Yeah, and the new one you are adding, it will be shown in the UI itself. You can edit it whenever you want it. Like some response you want to change it, you can change it on your own.
All right, I'll play with it. Thank you.
Yeah, and when you are free, Lori, we need to discuss about the dashboard. Yesterday we couldn't able to discuss it.
Yes.
Yeah, like when you are free, let me know. I will call you. We can discuss about that, so I can make the changes.
Well, you gotta go back to work. So what time?
Now time is 10:12 p.m.
Oh. No, I was just asking Arun what time is he gonna be available later today for me?
Like 12:42, right? I will be available around 4, Lori. Like my time 4, your time 1 o'clock.
Okay.
These are all added in the production, Arun. Chatbot reference.
Yeah, those are all added in the production. Yeah.
Okay, I'll check.
Because that's I asked Lori to test it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so as soon as Arun, okay, two things. One was the reporting thing, and Arun's going to figure out the design and then give you stuff to implement. The other piece, Arun, the first piece, Jay, that we were talking about, which was the I see. You already put stuff down in the group chat about that, so never mind.
Yeah. I'm just documenting it, everything.
Yeah.
Because we are missing something every time.
Right. So, Arun, has Jaya been tasked with anything now regarding the events, the API?
Which one, Lori? Like,
The API.
yeah, like I was. Yeah, if you see the chat, Lori, I mentioned her task. She is going to check on the Google API usage and.
Yeah. Okay, got it. Never mind. We don't have to go over it.
Yeah.
Understood. Okay.
Yeah, and the API alternative in case if it's a paid service, what are the alternative we have? Like,
Yeah.
I saw somewhere we have some other APIs, but I didn't able to do the full analysis. And then she is going to fix the dashboard.
Okay. And okay, awesome. And any status on all events?
Yeah, I need to check with them, Lori. Again, they gave me an API key, but that key is not working, so I need to check with them. Currently, I'm stuck with this, right? So I'm working on my office work also.
Do you want me to start communicating with them, and you can just send me that stuff so it's one less thing for you until.
No, I need to. Yeah, I will. I need to message Akshat and see when Siddharth will be available.
Because I mean, they were supposed to do something based upon the last meeting I was at, right?
Yeah, same meeting I was there. They shared me the API key and the category API call. Can you test, Lori? I didn't tested it properly. Can you test all events? Like, and click and see whether you are able to fetch anything? Because I think they changed something on their side. Yeah, just give any particular category and try fetch events. Yeah. Yeah, it's throwing error. That's the reason. Yeah, I need to check with them. The API key is not working properly. I need to check with them.
You know, I think that we may, and we'll talk about it later. Okay. You should go back to work.
And I want to know all events about, we have pricing issue, no? Is that
Right.
solved?
No, the pricing issue is not solved totally yet, no.
Okay. Are we continuing with the all events, or is there any order?
Yeah, they just gave him an API key that's not working properly, so he's waiting for them to come back to him.
Okay.
Okay. All right, guys. Thanks.
Yeah, okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.